Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello 18! Pinakabagong balita, just today, sold out na ang ticket ng SB19 sa concert nila sa Calgary. Ito nga, pinost nila, ginawang my story sa kanilang Instagram account na sold out na just today, 24 hours o 22 hours ang kanilang concert sa Calgary, Canada.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes account.